as a member. Okay, so I had a loan. I had to repay it, but as a housewife, it sometimes gets very difficult to repay loan on time. So it was an online repayment. So I was very worried. So I did that meditation of next level and next level next level meditation, and I write that 112211 on everywhere where I can put it, on my purse, on my husband's wallet, everywhere I can say that. And after 2 months, my loan repaid, and I was like, how? I couldn't understand.
होता है,
People were
हो
giving me
जाता है, things like these
money.
happen.
They were
और ये
sending.
snap, you don't need to understand, that
Yes,
is your testimony done. 112211, Allah Ta'ala bless you, and I hope everyone is
yes,
refreshed it yesterday, and that was Thursday, and the date was I don't know what the date, on the 13th of May. और
correctly.
अगर refresh नहीं